This is a Scarlet Green Wing mix. He's 3/4 Scarlet, 1/4 Green Wing. And he's a little upset with me right now, aren't you? Aren't you? He hatched out March 14th. He's still eating 3 times a day, morning and night, but a little bit in the afternoon. He's DNA'd a male, and he's a sweetie. He's full of himself. He's got just enough squirted in him to make him interesting, don't you? He's a good boy. He's a good bird. They're sweet. And you want to play? Come here. Come here. Do you want to come here? Do you want to come here? Oh, good boy. Good boy.
This is the female. They're clutch mates.
What? What are you two doing? Everything right now is interesting to him. Everything's new. You're gonna like it. That little big bird will get you.
There she goes.
You be easy with that baby.
Here, get over here, Diddle.
No.
Okay.
No.
These are Scarlet hybrids. 3/4 Scarlet, 1/4 Green Wing. One male and one female, both DNA'd. The female is banded.
Yes.
The female is banded.